Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing. So today we'll analyze gold, which is XAUUSD. As you can see, the gold has given us a big fall in previous days, which is from 22nd April and today as well. If you see, gold is bearish as of now because it is in a retracement phase. We have 2 point of interest in PO in 4 time frame. However, if we move in 15 minutes time frame, I'll just that. So now you can see that this was our inducement level in 15 minutes time frame, as this was the previous swing which gold has given us, which is why I have marked this as an inducement. This gave us a confirmation of the 15 minutes high. If gold closes above this high, it would be a 15 minutes breakout structure. So below the inducement level, we had a point of interest. You can see that gold took a halt near our point of interest and eventually broke it. As this point of interest is broken, I'll just delete it. Now, after this point of interest, we can see that there is an extreme point of interest and gold is currently trading, or gold is currently at our extreme point of interest. Now, what my expectations in gold are, as it is already near our point of interest, as I just moved into 1 minute time frame, and you can see that gold has given us a change of character in 1 minute time frame, which indicates that a bullish movement can be expected now. I'll mark it over the chart. Here we have a 1 minute change of character. Now, as gold is bullish, we need an inducement for us to confirm that the high has been formed. If gold takes out this low or wicks out this low, I would mark it as an inducement, because below this high, below this point, the previous swing is this, which is why I have marked this as an inducement. However, if gold takes out this high and closes above it, I would mark this level as an inducement. But the gold didn't close above this high, which is why I am marking this level as my inducement level. Now, where is my point of interest? As you can see, below this level, this order block is already tapped, which is why my extreme point of interest would be this. If gold taps over this order block, I would take my long positions over here. Would place my limit orders 15 minutes time frame, and this would be my target. As we are analyzing gold in 15 minutes time frame, I would put my stop loss according to 15 minutes time frame. So this low, I hope you can see this low. This low would be my stop loss, and this high would be my target. As gold is bullish, this high should be taken out. However, if gold closes below this level, I would mark it as a change of character in 15 minutes time frame and look for a bearish momentum in gold. I hope the 15 minutes is clear for you now. I'll delete all this. Now let's get into 4 hours and look what's happening in 4 hours. See, the gold is bullish, right? So this low, if gold wicks out this low or closes below this low, this would be my inducement level. Below the inducement level, I do have an order block over here. on the chart. This would be my order block. There are no other fair value gaps here, so this would be my order block. If I'll delete this as this is the middle one, this would be my first order block below the inducement level. So most probably this order block should work. If this didn't work, the gold will come and tap on our extreme order block in 4-hour time frame and move upwards. Then at that time, you should mark this high as your target and put this low as your stop loss. However, if gold reacts from this level, reaction, which means if gold gives us a change of character in 15 minutes time frame after tapping on this order block and retracing back to our 15 minutes POI, you can place your limit orders, take a trade towards the upside. At that time, you should put this low as your stop loss and put this high as your target. You can see that the risk to reward ratio is really good in both the cases. So these are my point of view. This is my point of view in gold, guys. Now moving to Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin has crossed all our point of interest. Now it is at our extreme point of interest and is a bit bearish now. However, we do not have any confirmation that the Bitcoin is completely bearish or we can take any short positions in Bitcoin. Hence, I suggest you to wait till Bitcoin closes below this level so that you can mark this as a 15-minute change of character. Be mindful, the Bitcoin shouldn't wick the level. It should close below this level so that you can mark this as a change of character and take a trade when it retraces back in 15 minutes time frame, and you can put this low as your target. However, if Bitcoin closes above this level, you should mark it as a 4-hour change of character and wait for the Bitcoin to retrace back to our POI after the inducement is taken out so that you can plan for a long positions. So this is my point of view in the market, guys. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video and your view in the market is clear. So that's it for today, guys. Take care. Bye bye.